But my lord, your lordship can only for 80 or 20 months from the date of if we need to have 3 years of case. Then where shall it go?
I have given him the leave. You sort it out with your landlord. Call the next matter, please.
Yes, they has come.
Yes?
Yes, they have come.
Who has come?
But without our lawyer,
After 13, I'll take up.
Your Ladyship, I am in led by Mr. Basu. So as per the instruction, kindly
Which item?
item number 12.
Yes.
I'm going for a short passover.
No, Passover will not be possible. See, we are just approaching the
Passover
vacation.
is on legs in court number 4.
Please start. For the
Lord,
private
your lordship,
fund?
Yes, from 6 to
Lord,
11.
your lordship, kindly look to the order on the other day your lordship passed.
Yes.
Your lordship had both the parties. They are after for one.
Municipality will come ready with instructions.
I'm audible, my lord?
Yes, I can
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you, Mr. Ray.
Yes,
May I place before your lordship? Now, Lord, may I place before your lordship? In this application, my lord, 2 orders is are the subject matter of challenge. One order is page 180, Lord, and another order is page 239. Lordship, kindly come to page 239 first. Lord, this is a demolition option. It was pleased to pass the to order it 1540. By directing the municipality to consider the said building plan submitted by the appellant at pages so and so of the stay petition for sanction.
As demolish the structure as the school is required dues of the retired employee.
May I pay for 5 monthly installments, which will pay off monthly installments. Your lordship will direct everybody. Arrears, 5 monthly installments, my your lordship. Regarding gratuity, my lord, no, lordship, let them pay the gratuity at a time. Pension amount immediately, current pension.
Current pension immediate.
Arrear pension and gratuity.
And gratuity.
Your lordship gives not 5 monthly installments. Then my lordship kindly indicate how much they will pay. Otherwise, my lord, they will pay 10,000, 10,000, 15,000. Equal.
The total amount is there.
Yes, my lord.
The
Equal
gratuity
monthly.
amount they mention is 272.
Right, my lord. But if they
695.
pay, my lord, 10,000 or 15,000 per month, my lord, then
Suppose they pay 10,000. The balance remains. Outer
within
limit
31st
is
July. Within 30th.
outer limit. He pays for
Yes.
5 equal installments.
Yes.
So the 5 equal installment, is it monthly installment?
Monthly. 5 equal
Then
monthly
it will
installment.
go to till the pujas.
Before the puja, they shall be clear, my lord. Puja
আচ্ছা।
se-
যেখানে 31st of July বললাম, make it till 30th of September
Well,
2024. By way of
on a
equal monthly installments as
Right.
prayed for by the learned advocate representing the
well,
municipality.
my lord, then he is entitled to get the better interest, my lord.
Yes, as the petitioner
Since the date of retirement till the
Will
actual
be-
payment.
receiving the amount at a delayed date, accordingly, he will be entitled to receive the same along with interest at the rate of 7% per annum,
My lord,
to be calculated on and from the due date till the date of actual payment.
on the gratuity amount, your lordship. Yes. Because pension
On
will give
the-
4 months only due, my lord. There's no inordinate delay.
On the gratuity amount,
My lord, 7 per lordship.
due amount যেটা
Usually
বললাম সেটা
6% is
gratuity
given in
amount.
non-case, lord.
gratuity interest is 10%. I have mentioned only 7 just to maintain a balance
My lord, deeply obliged.
for the Passover matter. Yes.